Hey everybody, this is Mike from Your Virtual CTO, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can triple your revenue using nothing but your technology. Hey, I want to ask you today, how would your life change if your income tripled? Did you know that technology used the right way could make that happen? Now let me tell you the 3 steps that you should take to get started down that road. The first step is to audit everything about your business, all processes, anything you use technology on, anything you don't use technology on. Audit everything, be brutal. Make sure you pay attention to every single detail out there. The second thing that you want to do is you want to look at your technology that you have and you're paying for, but maybe you don't need it. Now that includes staff members that you've hired because you thought you needed them, and over time you've discovered maybe you don't. It's called trimming the fat. Then the final step of the process is to look at your manual processes and determine which of those manual processes could possibly be turned into automated processes, and then begin thinking about a plan for how to get from the manual process to the automated process. Now, you might need help with that. That's why Your Virtual CTO exists as a company. We're here to help you figure out what needs to be automated, what you need to get rid of, and we can even help you do the audit. Now, all you have to do is get on a call with us. It's a free call. Nobody's going to sell you anything. We are going to give you actionable steps that you can take immediately after the call to start seeing an increase in your revenue. Now, if you're interested in getting on this free call with me, and again, it is 100% free, go to getyourvirtualcto.com/SS call, fill out the application, and you'll talk to me, and we will take care of the issue for you.